So this is Kyoto, former capital of Japan. So before Tokyo. So this used to be the capital of Japan. See the rush. This is very important place historically, culturally. So this is still maintaining traditional Japanese way of living, way of buildings, temples, castles. So this is very important when you visit Japan. So Kyoto is must. Kyoto, Osaka, Tokyo, these three cities we should must visit. So if people are enjoying this sakura flowers. So you can see people taking, even Japanese people taking photographs, videos. This is sakura. You can see blooming flowers everywhere. So this is the biggest blooming trees or flowers I am experiencing in Japan. So that's why people come to Japan during end of March or first week of April. So this is sakura or blooming first flowers, and we can sit here and have our lunch. So there are restaurants, we can buy food, and we can spend some time here. So this is excellent place to take videos, to take photos, to so we have to sit here, and she will come, and someone will come and take orders. So we can't sit without taking food. So see, they are in Japanese costumes. So we can also see foreign visitors like white people, Japanese people, Indians, so Indonesians, but we can't differentiate between Indonesians, Chinese, Koreans. I have met a lot of people from Korea because Seoul is only 1.5 hours from Osaka. This is very close, Seoul. There is a sea, otherwise they would have, put a train between Osaka and Seoul. But there is a sea in between, so they can't do that. So this is sakura. I will just upload this short in the YouTube so that people can enjoy this sakura blooming flowers. See how people are crazy about this. So they are just taking the videos.
Okay.
I'm not Japanese, but they're wearing this dress. I think they might have taken on rent. There is some more restaurants here. We can eat, sit and eat the food. Ramen, noodles, soba. So these are the different noodles, but I have never tried. Ramen noodles, soba noodles are very famous in Japan. Soba is like thick noodles. Ramen is like thin noodles. So there are several gardens in Kyoto where we can go and visit for this sakura blooming. See the Japanese traditional dresses, traditional outfit. So there are all sakuras everywhere. We get mad by seeing this. See the buildings. See the sakuras. People are enjoying their lunch in beautiful gardens, sakura gardens, under the sakura flowers, sakura trees. See, mostly Japanese. They have brought food from home because here it is expensive. That's what I found. So and they are eating, and they are sitting and eating here with their families. This is weekend, so that is the reason it is very rush. So we have to always avoid important places during the weekend, but so sometimes we can't escape because we can't sit or sleep in the hotel. Nice dress, nice outfit. See, they are foreigners, but they enjoy wearing these outfits. So Indian food, Indian people are eating Indian food in Sakura. India?
Yeah.
Indian.
No, in Finland.
Oh, okay. I go one.
I will.
Yeah. You can record video at least 2-3 hours alone in this garden. So that much time we can spend here and we can record videos. So I can't go upstairs. It is tiring. I have to conserve my energy because I have to visit several places. So today, so yeah. The Sri Lankan couple, it's not Indian, I spoke to them. So they are middle part of Sri Lanka. So they are eating their lunch here, enjoying the lunch under the sakura, under these trees. You can see all Japanese style buildings. I mean to say old Japanese buildings. So modern buildings are like skyscrapers. Couple of American people can recognize with their accent. So Chinese, Koreans, so all are here. Indonesians, so they all came for one purpose, to enjoy this beautiful sakura. So this is looking different. These flowers are bit red, bit pink in color. So most of the flowers are white in color, very light pink. So this is bit dark pink. You can see. So these are looking beautiful with dark pink. This is typical Japanese restaurant. We can find them all over the world. So with the script. So this is Kyoto Unagi Suzen. I think it is the name of the restaurant. So there are several hundred varieties in Japanese food, but we only know sushi or noodles or ramen noodles or soba. But there are several hundred, thousands of varieties. I think mostly non-veg. Maybe vegetarian are there, but I don't know. I have never tried. See the trees, panoramic views, gardens. Few Indian visitors. Looks like Buddhist temple. We can see a sleeping Buddha inside. Now I have visited Maruyama Park. Now I want to go to Kodaiji temple, which is just 3 minutes from walking from here. You can clearly see the signboards.